In this video, I will show you how I leverage ChatGPT as a powerful personal sales assistant to automate my outreach and close more deals with ease. I'm starting right here on the homepage, and to begin, I'll head to the chat bar to set up my professional persona. I'm copying a detailed prompt from my notes that introduces me as a sales manager and provides clear context about my product, location in the Philippines, and my specific targets for the quarter. I'll paste this into the chat and hit send. ChatGPT immediately acknowledges its new role and even updates its memory with my professional details to ensure consistent support in all our future sessions. I'll click on Manage to see the details, confirming that my name, role, and business focus as a marketing manager are properly saved. The assistant then provides a strategic breakdown of my quarterly goals, showing me exactly how many new clients and leads I need to hit my numbers. Next, I want to identify high potential prospects, so I'll copy a prompt asking for 10 types of businesses in the Philippines that would benefit most from our AI software. I'll paste this in, and ChatGPT performs a real-time web search to provide a curated list of prospects, like e-commerce sellers and logistics companies, along with their specific pain points and how I should lead my message. To start my outreach, I'll copy a prompt to draft a personalized cold email for a lead at Retail Plus. I'll paste it into the chat, and ChatGPT generates a concise, professional email that highlights how we can cut their response times from hours to minutes. I also want to have a follow-up ready, so I'll copy a prompt to write a second message that references a successful case study. After pasting it, ChatGPT provides a friendly nudge that adds value without being too pushy. Next, I need to prepare for my upcoming meeting, so I'll copy a prompt to get a full discovery call briefing, including the most important questions to ask and the strongest benefits to lead with. I'll paste the request and receive a structured guide to keep me focused during the call. To handle any potential pushback, I'll copy a prompt about a common price objection and ask for 3 different ways to respond. ChatGPT gives me clear options to reframe the value, clarify their budget, or offer a smaller entry-level package. Now it's time to finalize the deal, so I'll copy a prompt to write a formal one-page sales proposal. I'll paste the instructions, and ChatGPT builds a professional document covering the challenge, our proposed solution, and the expected results. Finally, I'll copy a prompt to draft a short, urgent closing message regarding our upcoming onboarding slots. I'll paste the last prompt, and I have a ready-to-send message that completes my entire sales workflow from lead generation to the final close. If you found this walkthrough helpful for automating your own sales process, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.